remove the Installation tab.
Please open the Mi Home app. Press the plus to enter Add Device page and press the Sensor. Select the Aqara Motion Sensor.
If the hub makes voice prompts,
Ready to connect to child devices.
Long press the Reset button for 5 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release.
when hearing the hub voice prompts,
Child device connected.
then the accessory is successfully added to the network.
After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Mi Home app or in the Apple Home app.
Option 1. Place the motion sensor where you need it. Option 2. Remove the protective film and stick it to the desired location. Option 3. Stick the motion sensor to the stand and stick the stand to where you need it.
This is a Aqara vibration sensor, a sensor that detects vibration. It can be placed on any surface you wish to monitor. When there is a vibration, drop, or tilt, the hub will sound an alarm and send a notification to your phone. Aqara vibration sensor. Secure your belongings.
Aqara temperature and humidity sensor. Aqara temperature and humidity sensor monitors and records indoor temperature, humidity, and atmospheric pressure in real time. The current and historical data is displayed in the app. It can also trigger other smart accessories to automate your home. Remove the Installation tab. Open Aqara Home app. Tap Home and then tap Plus to enter Add Accessory page. Select Temperature and Humidity Sensor. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Ready to connect to child devices.
long press the Reset button for 3 seconds until the blue light blinks 3 times and then release. When hearing the hub voice prompt,
Child device connected.
the accessory is successfully added to the network. After the accessory is added, you can check the accessory status in the Aqara Home app or in the Apple Home app. Single press the Reset button on the accessory at your desired location. If the hub makes voice prompts,
Normal link confirmed.
it indicates that the accessory can communicate effectively with the hub. Method 1. Place it directly at the desired location. Method 2. Tear off the protective film and stick it on the desired location.